Hey guys, so today on In Bloom 7, the topic is why is your favorite your favorite? If you didn't know, I am a Keaton girl. And talking about why you're attracted to someone can be difficult. I definitely found trouble putting into words why he's my favorite. I mean, just look at him. Like, don't you just want to squeeze him and hug him? Like, he's adorable. He's just the cutest thing ever. Amazing, and I just love him. I really do. As I scratch my boob, I love you, Keaton. The fuck. There is something there that just makes me so happy. It's really hard to put this into words. I just think that his character is something that's really important to me. It's definitely something that I admire and I look up to him for because it's crazy that someone could be just that amazing. I'm in awe of him and who he is. I think his spirit is so shining, and I definitely see a lot of good qualities in Keaton that, I don't necessarily see in Wesley and Drew, and there are different qualities I don't see in Keaton that I see in them, but I think Keaton's are just so strong. I don't think that I could fully ever describe how much I love him and why, but I think that he's my favorite just because of who he is. I really love him, and he's my favorite, and he makes me happy, which is all I really care about. That was very difficult, and this was a stupid challenge because I don't like things that are difficult and hard, and I don't like when I have to express my feelings, so this was just, annoying. I don't know. Honestly, that was, the hardest thing I've ever had to do, and I definitely challenge you to put into words why your favorite is your favorite because it was very difficult, and I'd love to see what you come up with because I came up with complete and utter shit. But that is an outline of all the reasons I love him and all the things that make me attracted to him. I hope you learned something about me and Keaton, and if you ship Calissa. Probably not. He's him? I don't know. This was stupid. Who came up with the